In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this VIVO. First of all, you need to open Clock app and tap on Alarm section in it. At the bottom left corner. Now to add your alarm, tap on this plus icon and tap an hour. When you're ready, tap on repeat and pick days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Wednesdays and Fridays. To save them, click on OK at the bottom right corner. Now choose alarm sound. Tap on Add New and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song and going back. You can also click on Start Listening in order to use your Spotify account, or just pick one of those device sounds, like Clock Alert. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate to switch it off or on. Lastly, click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and click on OK. Finally, save your alarm by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can always switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also edit it by clicking on it, making new changes and tapping on the check mark again to save them, or on this X icon at the top left corner to discard them. I will go with check mark though. You can get rid of your alarm by holding it, clicking on this pin icon and waiting. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!